As a real estate agent, one of my biggest issues was following up clients and customers. When you should call them, when you should go for viewing, when you should set up a meeting and stuff like this. And if you have worked in sales field, you definitely know about this problem. Then my friend introduced me some apps like Google Tasks and Notion. Yeah, they were very good, they were awesome, but I was looking for something more simple than that. So suddenly I heard my SMS notifications. And I thought by myself, okay, SMS notification is something that you will never ignore it. Then I did something that boosted my workflow and increased my productivity. Let me show you how. Just pick up your phone and find your second number. Okay, this is my second number. And I deleted all the messages to show you clearly. So start writing your text. For example, you want to call one of your clients at like 6 p.m. Currently is almost 2 p.m. So write this. Call, for example, Tom for JJ Mall. Alright, this is SMS and it's really simple to write it and it's really fast and simple. So just press SMS button and hold it for a while. Then you can see this, scheduled send. Select the time and date for August today and put it on like 6 p.m. or 18 p.m. Set it and done. You will receive this message at 6 p.m. and then you will remember what you were supposed to do. Yeah, I told you I also use Google Task or Notion, but this method is very simple and it's captivating. Like you cannot ignore your message notification. This was the process that I created by myself. And on the other hand, I created another process which is not really related to the technology or stuff like this. I decided to customize and optimize the where that I'm sitting. And when I sit here in this place, I only sit here when I want to record a video, not playing game, not calling to people, not doing anything else, not studying, only for recording the video. I never scroll on Instagram here, or when I want to call people on my office, on my job, I never start scrolling Instagram right inside the office in that specific chair that I sit. Yeah, when I want to chill, sit on the random chair, definitely I can scroll on Instagram or YouTube or TikTok. But when I want to call to people, I will never use my phone to do something else except calling people. That will help me a lot. It's a kind of psychological tricks that worked for me. I hope also worked for you.